Good morning. I was Lyndal Spirit, Click TV, Dreaming Da Vinci, Better Life. I was gonna shoot up a warm-up video because I'm up and out in nature in a park not far from where I live to shoot several videos that I have to get done today. Meeting some other people here later. And instead of shooting a warm-up video, I got some comments asking how do we shoot our videos and what do we do and things like that, and how do we make those little funny videos that my brother and I have a habit of making. So I thought really fast, instead of shooting a warm-up video to get ready for these other videos I have to shoot, that I would just talk to you about how we do that. You have to understand a few things. I've been doing this long before YouTube, so I'm used to being in front of a camera. My brother's a theater major, so he's very comical and projects. We were on tour with Rodriguez on the HBO comedy show. We're used to being around the entertainment industry on a multitude of levels. Multitude, good word. That's the first thing, is that we're used to having fun with it and still being professional. We started off shooting really high quality video, the highest you could shoot at the time that we were doing it. And we started off our YouTube channels that way. We didn't get a lot of responses because back then people weren't really into it. They're more into the home look videos. So that's why when you look under, there's a lot of videos that look like they were intentionally shot in a much lower grade, or they don't look intentional, but they look like we shot them in a lower grade. We're actually going back to our commercial look and shooting everything pretty much like this. That I explained all that. Let me first say, the first thing before you do your videos is do something that you're interested in. Don't just make videos to make videos. Find your interest, focus, and lock in on it. The second thing I would say is personality. If you get up in the morning, like it's very early in the morning here, and if you get up like, I don't want to do this today, another cup of coffee, it's going to show in your video that you're really not just driven to do it. No matter how much you can smile and act in front of a camera, if you're not driven in your heart, it's going to show. Another thing that we do is extensive research. Yes, we do write scripts out. We do kind of script out and outline what we want to do. But my brother and I do so much research on so many topics and we work on like our memory. We do a lot of games and things that help stimulate the memory. So we recall information on the fly. We have a great formula for improving. I mean, we can just go off on a tangent on something because we recall off our memory the details of a particular topic. So when we're outlining the videos, there's lots of room. Maybe I should go get another cup of coffee. There's lots of room for us to improvise and be ourselves and make it feel natural. That's one of the great things about being who we are, is we have an amazing ability to memorize a script, as well as we're real comfortable with the topics we talk about, and then we like to improvise a lot. The way we do it typically, and we shoot everything from a single phone shoot all the way up to, we've had 8 professional cameras off of a van shooting some of our stuff. It really depends on what we're talking about and what we're doing when we do that. What we tend to do, especially with, like, I know you've seen some other people try to host some of our shoots. What we do is we have them read a line, cut, read the next line, record it, cut. We do that, and that's how we get them real cut ones. My brother and I do a lot of funny stuff, like pop into the video, say what we gotta say, pop back out. We also tend to figure out which way we're more comfortable. For this particular video, sitting down at this angle feels good, so I'm comfortable, and it shows in the video that I'm comfortable. When you feel like you look your best, then you do your best. So for my brother, sometimes it's standing up because he projects and he likes to move around, and all that energy reflects into what he's doing. You want to keep those things in mind. The other thing you want to consider when you're, especially if you're trying to build a business out of this, YouTube has algorithms that kind of lock in on your content and try to determine where to place you as far as advertising. So you really want to keep that in mind and really try to focus on a few things. I know my Click TV now, we're doing fashion, entertainment, events, and business, of course. So we're really trying to lock in on a smaller area strictly for the Click TV channel and move all that information about like building your tiny home and stuff like that to the Better Life channel. The algorithm can see a formula in our marketing that it can follow and help better monetize the YouTube channel. The more you focus in on one thing, the better you're going to be. It's very difficult not only to get your YouTube channel monetized when you're doing multiple things on one channel, it is also very hard to shoot content. So I really extremely recommend that especially if you're starting off, if you like fashion or makeup, create one YouTube channel and just do that. And then create another YouTube channel doing something else. Something else that we do is we pick shoot days. So we have Sunday, Tuesdays, and Thursdays that we shoot for everything across the internet and all of our entertainment channels and all our TV shows. Everything is shot all day Sunday, all day Tuesday, and all day Thursday. Mondays and Wednesdays are edit days. Those are the days that we sit back, write all the music, we write, we edit all the videos, we start putting everything together. And then Fridays is the days that we upload, and typically Saturdays are the days that I just meditate all day. The main thing is your focus. Focus on you, what you like, what you want to do, your dreams, your goals. Focus on you. Do not go at this like a get rich type of thing. You must let the money follow you, and that means that you want to do it because you like doing it. You know there's a potential to make a living off of it, but just do it because you like it. Really have fun and enjoy what you do, and make it a small business and then grow it. Everything's done in steps and processes, and I see a lot of people that don't want to take the steps and processes, but you do. You have to analyze the videos. You have to see what the people are saying. You got to look at those things and take into consideration what they're saying and find a balance. But if it's not fun for you, if it's just a job, it's going to be real hard to make it work. That's pretty much the advice that I could give as far as how my brother and I run our whole entire empire. I mean, we do so much. And I call it an empire just because we do so much. It's not a reference to how much money we make. We have a lot of fun, but there's a lot of stress and problems too. But it's so much fun living this life that, the stress and the problems are easily overcome. They're just opportunity to do something better. So you got to really have fun with it, and like I said, lock in your ideas. If you got multiple ideas, write them all down, board them up, which is, you get on one of those online boards. I use Mila Notes. You get on one of the boards and you outline what type of video you're going to shoot, who's going to be in it, what they're going to say, and pull it together. We have 4 videos we need to shoot that I will actually be just improv-ing the whole video. And then I have 4 scripted videos that I need to shoot. I forget about the improv ones because it's just natural. This is improv. This is all coming off the top of my head, and there's no script, and I had no intention of shooting this video. I figured I would go ahead and shoot a video about how we do the things that we do. So, before I get super long-winded, I really appreciate all of you that watch my content, all of you that just follow me on all my different social medias, those that come out to my events. I want to thank you all. You, the people, are the reason that I started doing this in the first place, and that was way back in 1992. The company actually came into fruition in 1994, and it has grown over the years into Dreaming Da Vinci, Dreaming Da Vinci Media, Dreaming Da Vinci Publishing, Dreaming Da Vinci Foundation, which is our nonprofit organizations. Without you, I wouldn't be here, and I appreciate and love every single one of you for your loyalty, your following, your like spirits going crazy today and laughing with me or laughing at me. I don't care. I enjoy spending time with you. Look for us to actually go back to our professional look, but we hope to still be friendly, funny, and really engaged. You guys know I'll sit here and talk all day to you, but I got work to do, and you guys got things to do. But think about what I said. In the meantime, you've just been clicked. We're working on a lot of stuff, so get ready to check it out. I really appreciate you guys following my different channels and getting that information. Also, I am back on Facebook, and it is me. So for those of you that were on my Facebook, you still want to connect, I'm back on Facebook. So you guys have a wonderful day. It is a beautiful day today. Enjoy your day, enjoy your life, and just be creative, have fun, and I promise you the money's going to follow you. It may not be a lot at first, but when that shit comes in, it comes in. So one love, one world, one soul. Enjoy your life. Peace, I'm out.